In this video, I'll show you how to set up Face ID. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like so others can find it too. So Face ID is a very fast and secure way to unlock your iPhone and to protect your information. To set it up, what you have to do is simply go to the Settings app on your phone. Then we're going to scroll down just a little bit until we see Face ID and Passcode. If you have a passcode, you will be asked to enter it, so go ahead and do that. I already have Face ID, but if you don't, you are going to see the option to set it up right here at the top. I'm just going to show you how you would do it as an example by tapping Add Face ID with glasses. Even though I'm going to be showing you how to do it with glasses, the process is the same thing. What you're going to do after selecting Set Up Face ID is hit Continue. Now you're going to position your face inside the frame and you're going to move your head slowly around the arrow, following the little arrow that your iPhone shows you on the screen. And that's it. It can sometimes take a little bit longer, but if you do it correctly, it will take you literally less than 30 seconds. Once you're done, this is the message that you're going to see. Simply tap Undone. And now all you have to do is lock your phone and put your face inside the frame. You can drag the screen up and your phone will be automatically unlocked. Hope that helped.